Hello and welcome student. Today we will discuss about chart elements. Okay, how we will insert different chart elements in a chart. So we will see here one by one how we will insert the different element of chart. Okay, so for inserting different element of chart, first we have to prepare how we will prepare chart. We have seen in earlier we have seen in earlier video also. So if you haven't seen that, so go on suggested box, you can see there the earlier video. Now for if I will click anywhere in the cell, see on these three tabs disappear, but when I will click on that chart, so these three option will appear. When you will click on the chart, you will see these three option will appear. Okay, so we have to go in layout option. Okay, so what are the different elements of chart? The different elements are axis title. This axis, x-axis and y-axis. Title of axis means what this title is describing. Okay, and data series, chart title, legend, these are legend. Grid line, that grid line, how we will, that grid line may be horizontal or vertical. Okay, so we will see different thing, how we will change it, how we will edit it. So we will start with chart title. Okay, so first we will start with chart title. So here chart title is salary. We can insert different chart title also. So what we have to do, first we have to select the chart, then we have to go in layout option. In your book, it is giving the steps of access to Excel 2016, and I am working in 2007, so little bit difference is there. But in 2016 and 2007, you have to go in layout option. In layout option in 2016, there is one option, add chart element. Here that elements are given in a single row or in a groups. Okay, so elements are given in a group. You don't have to go in add chart element in 2007. So first topic is adding a chart title. So we have to go in chart title. In You have to go in label group, and in label group there is chart title. So we have to click on chart title. So in drop down arrow it will show three option: center overlay title or above chart. If you will click on center overlay title, so that the title will see at the center of the chart. Above chart means like it is showing above the chart salary. Okay, the salary name is showing above the chart. So I will click on above chart. So see, above chart it is showing me the name salary. Even I can change the name if I want. If I will write employees salary. Okay, so I can even change the name according to my choice. So this is chart title. Title will be always at the top. I told you so many times that title will be at the top. So this is title. Title is describing what chart is all about. Okay, so chart title will be at the top. Even you can insert chart title at the center also. Like this it will show in center. Okay, and in none it will not show anything. So this is chart title. Okay, second, adding axis title. Axis title means this is x-axis, then this is y-axis. So in axis title you will write what this axis is describing. Suppose what x-axis is describing and what y-axis is describing, you can even write that also. So for that you have to first select the chart, then go in axis title. First option is written primary horizontal axis. Horizontal axis is this x-axis, and primary vertical axis, this is vertical axis. So in horizontal axis I will click on title below axis. So below axis it will write here. Okay, it will write here what this axis is describing. So I will click on title below axis. So see, it is giving me option here. So I will write here name of employees. Okay, so here it is showing me name of employee. So I write here name of employee for this axis. Now I will go on axis title and primary vertical axis. So I will select any option, horizontal title, vertical title, rotated title. So we will see how what it is all about. First I will click on horizontal title, so it will show like this. If I will click on vertical title, so it will show me like this in vertical form. If I will click on rotated title, so it will show me like this. You can rotate it. Okay, so I will write here, you can write here value, suppose. Okay, so you will write here value. So this is value and this is name of employee, value of salary, and this is name of employee. So like this you can insert access title. Now third one is data label. So for data label we have to first select the chart, then go in data label option. Okay, now data label is means suppose this graph is showing me 12 salary of Anika, which is 12,000. So it will show me data label of 12,000. So how much it is labeling? 12,000. Second one, it is labeling 15,000. So it will label the value of salary above it, below it, in center also. So there are options center, inside and inside, base, outside end. So if I will click on center, so it will show me the value of this graph in center. If I will click on inside end, so it is showing me inside end. If I will click on inside base, so it is going toward base. Or if I will click on outside end, like this you have seen so many time in different chart, it is showing the data label like this also. Okay, so it is data label, it is showing me in which label this data is considered. Okay, now next one is data table. So first I will remove it. Next option, data table, means it will show the table below it which is showing the name with the salary with it. Okay, so how it will show? If I will click on show data table, so it will show one table below it in which name also written and salary is also written with graph, also. Okay, if I will click on show data table, so see one table is there below every data series, one table is there. Okay, so it is showing the name of that data series and salary of that particular person. Okay, so salary of that particular person, it is showing in table. If you will click on show data table with legend key, so this legend key will appear here also. Okay, so see, legend key means it is showing the color of different employee. Okay, so this is data table. Me the legend, this is legend, so it is showing the color, by which color it is showing you the value. Okay, so if I will click on legend and show legend at right, okay, so it will show me the legend at the right. See, this is legend, it is showing at the right. If I will click on show legend at top, so it will show me the legend at top. If I will click on show legend at left, so it is showing me the legend at left. Okay, in the same way you can put this legend anywhere you want, so better it is in right place. Basically legend is a box which show the color assigned to a particular data series. So color assigned to data series is blue, so it is showing me the legend with color assigned to each data series. Okay, so every data series have assigned the color with blue color. If I will change the layout, so it will show me different legend. Now we will move on to next topic, that is adding grid line. This is last topic of adding chart element. Okay, so adding grid line, this is grid line which is showing the particular value. This line, horizontal lines are called grid line. Now where you can see here one option is there, that is grid line in access group. So you have to go in grid line option, there is primary horizontal grid line. So by default it is showing me the grid line, major grid line. So see, horizontal grid line, it is by default it is showing. If I will click on vertical grid line, so if I will click on major grid line, so it will show me the grid line in vertical option also. Vertical means like column is in standing position, in the same way grid line will be also there. So see, in vertical column also, vertical line also you will see in vertical line. So if you will see minor, so minor are in between the majors line. Okay, in the same way, if I will click on minor, so minor lines are also shown in between the major line. So if you want minor line, you can, if you want major line, you can click on major line. And if you want major and minor both line, so it is showing me both line at the same time. So see, it is showing me major and minor both line at the same time. So you can easily distinguish the salary. So it is 1000, it is 15,000. In between there are, I think, 5 boxes. Each boxes show 1000. So in second box it is, so it is 12,000. So grid line is basically a line which distinguishes the value of y axis. Okay. So this is it in this video. Thank you.